Metro.
By Annabelle Sosa and Kate Sheehy.
The city could have hundreds of cases of the coronavirus in coming weeks, Mayor Bill de Blasio acknowledged Sunday, as he finally urged people who are sick to stay off the subways.
At some point, we could easily be hundreds of cases, the mayor said of the virus, as he reported that there were now 13 people in the city confirmed to be infected, up from a dozen yesterday.
As best practice, if you are sick, in any capacity, stay off public transport, de Blasio said.
If you are sick, you shouldn't be going to a public event. You shouldn't be going to work. You shouldn't be going on the subway, the mayor told reporters at a city emergency management office in downtown Brooklyn.
Last week, de Blasio appeared to dismiss concerns about whether an infected Midtown lawyer rode the subway, telling reporters when asked of the possibility, "The subway is not the issue, the train is not the issue. The issue, with the coronavirus, is prolonged, consistent contact."
The mayor Sunday offered buses as an option for other commuters who don't want to go on the subway.
Buses can be very crowded, but if the bus is a less crowded option and you can use that, please do, de Blasio said.
He said that there are now 13 confirmed cases of the virus in the Big Apple, including infected lawyer Lawrence Garbuz, who works in Midtown Manhattan but lives in New Rochelle in Westchester County.
He said 19 people are in mandatory isolation, and 2,176 in voluntary isolation, a figure that has gone down substantially.
The mayor identified two places where an infected healthcare worker in New Jersey traveled recently in the city, a Westin Hotel in Midtown, Manhattan, and the King David Center Nursing and Rehab Facility in Gravesend, Brooklyn.
A 32-year-old New Jersey health care provider saw 11 patients at the Brooklyn facility, while symptomatic but wore a mask. All 11 patients are asymptomatic, de Blasio said.
The worker also attended small medical conference in Midtown, the mayor said, adding that it was a Westin. All attendees are symptomatic and family is asymptomatic.
As for the potential closing of city schools, de Blasio said, "We're dealing with a disease that is not fully understood. But I will say definitively, everything we've seen so far, this is a disease that for a healthy child presents minimal risk."
Parents want to see the schools keep going as long as it's safe, want to see their kids getting educated, and we do have a tremendous interest in avoiding the disruption of the city unless there's a very specific reason to act otherwise.
Asked if a specific number of coronavirus cases would prompt closure, the mayor replied, "Not as simple as that.